What's your name?
Luis,
Hey, Luis. And what are you here to do?
we're gonna spray hydro mulch. This material is for help to the seed growing up. And for this time, we're gonna spray Bermuda and ryegrass. This ryegrass is for this time, the cold time.
And how do you mix everything together?
Yeah, we have to separate everything, and we mix it over there at the tank. Inside it has some planes inside. Mix it, and when we think it's ready, we can start to spray.
So what's your ingredients that you're gonna mix?
Fertilizer, seed, mulch. We have a different mulches. Like some mulches is only for paper, newspaper, or it can be wood.
And how long will it take you to hydromulch this pond?
Around 1 hour, 1 hour and a half.
Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. In this video you will see how the contractor hydromulches the detention pond to prevent erosion. The hydromulch has a green color added so that the worker can see where he's placing the mulch. I'll be quiet now and play some happy music so you can enjoy the video. Now the contractor has completed the hydromulching. It takes about a week for the seed to germinate, and in about 2 or 3 weeks the pond should have full growth. I will keep you updated on the grass. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.